Nintendo's biggest failure. Me and the Virtual Boy go way back. I fucking hate it. It's not even that bad of a system. Yes, it only has 13 games and Nintendo is making a bootleg version of it with the Switch 2. In my mind, even the Waifu alarm clock is better, and the SAO Asuna alarm app even has that beat, which is super low on my scale. As well as it only has 3 good games which are basically exclusives, but no one's ever beat them because people never played it because A, no one's ever played it, or B, went blind trying to play it. But it does have its place in time. Not a good one, just a place. And here we are fixing this piece of shit.
I genuinely dislike this thing. I have a personal history with a specific Virtual Boy. I was one of the poor schmucks that bought one of these things thinking, oh, I can fix it. That was 4 years ago. I was a little baby boy who was working at the tech repair shop. Like, oh, it's good. No, this thing's awful. It's awful. Because it's just like... Because this thing is... Listen, it's not bad. It was a cool concept for back in like the 80s or whatever this came back out when we were waiting for the Nintendo 64. It's not bad, right? Like... The way they did it was pretty cool. That goes to like, it's hard to explain because there's like a laser and it's going back and forth. It's basically doing like what with the old CRT TVs. You guys old enough? Like my age range for people are between like 24 and 30. Like that's my biggest like watchers, but I don't know because half of you guys are from like Germany for whatever reason. Like I know you guys can understand English, but why are you listening to a dude from Wisconsin talk about this stuff? So yeah, it's cool, but it's just like, I have to fix it because it's not even mine. I bought this 4 years ago and returned it because it didn't work. That's what got me into Magic. That's what got me into the gatherings. Oh my goodness. So we went online, or by we, I mean me, and I bought this thing. So I think this will be able to fix what's wrong because the left eyepiece is not working in here. And that's what I'm trying to fix. Because the last time I tried doing this with this. Because if you remember the Game Boy video I did, I tried doing the same thing where I just rub across the thing and I rub across the lines. And with doing that, it would heat up the thing and it would reseed the ribbon cable. I tried doing that here, and I Thanos snapped it. So it's like, I'm not feeling so good, Mr. Steak. So like, it's not great. It's not. So we're gonna rip this thing open, and we're gonna see how fun it is doing that. Because it's just like, I know, I don't know. I've been putting this off for like 3 weeks now. I've done 2 other videos since then, and it's been just chilling next to my bed, way over yonder, and I'm just like, all right, let's try opening this thing up. I'm not happy. I'm not gonna have fun. So like genuinely, I don't know, bro. It's like the shop owner the shop owner was kind enough to get me a copy of Mario Tennis to test this thing with because it doesn't work without a game. It's like a Game Boy, which is weird to think about because this is younger. So he's trying to sell it for more expensive than it is because he wants to sell it for fully working, and I can understand that. So yeah, I don't know, man. It's just not a good time. It's like, but it's cool because there's a headphone jack, volume knob, a link cable that never came out. I think there's one online where you can do it, but there's no games that allow it. I think Mario Tennis, but I don't know. And then the controller jack, which is pretty cool. Which gave us our first double D-pad device. Dual analog, am I right? And I don't know. These are fun. Name me every single Did You Know gaming fact as well as Virtual Boy episode from Angry Video Game Nerd. I don't remember how to take this apart. Oh no. Oh, dude. It's like the crazy thing is when I was 19, I thought this was funny. I really thought it was funny. It's like, who's gonna steal my oh man, why? Because I was genuinely thinking, who's gonna rob? Because at the time I was genuinely thinking, who's gonna rob the guy with the hentai stickers? And I thought the same thing about my phone at the time as well. And then I grew up. I developed a conscience. So it's just like, you learn things as you grow up. And what I learned is that don't be a fucking weirdo. That's what I learned. How did I open this up last time? Well, I got these 4 out. You can tell I worked with those last time because this is already loose right here. That didn't really open up a lot. Well, I'm gonna kind of just stick these bad boys in here just so I don't lose them. 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. No sé. So what we are doing now is that I'm using the bit that works, and then I'm using another bit that fits this bit into here. Then we're going to put the bits into each other like that, and then I'm going to use the regular screwdriver to get at it, which works. which is stupid. And I'm gonna look back on this and I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm the Mr. Greatest of all time. This is the bestest ever. And then I'm gonna be like, just like, because it's so stupid on how that's, oh my, my favorite part of this is you can see like where the milling machines were and going around. It's like, it's interesting because I went to school for it, because you can see where, because I don't think this is injection molded. Maybe, actually no, low-key it might be injection molded and I'm just stupid, but you know. All right, that's the last one. Okay, 2 of the screws came out. That's fine. That's absolutely a-okay. Oh, I forgot how gross. Like, it's not like disgusting gross like the other. I can go over there. It's not disgusting, right? With like how just some of the other things are worked on. It's just, it's not. There's so many cables everywhere. There's so many cables. Ah, yes. There. There's the Thanos. Oh God, I thought oh, that's. Oh God, that's not good. Because that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh no, bro. Oh no, man. Okay. Every now and then I'm feeling a little bit lonely. I found the part. I needed these. So, welcome to the virtual ribbon. I don't know how these are supposed to attach low-key. I was just gonna be like, yes. I'm assuming this is our new ribbon cable. This will be attaching to here, like that. And then from there, this will go somewhere attached to here somehow. Because this is what attaches to the guy goes, it's already dead. Just kind of, it's already dead. Yeah, this is a rubber part. Oh, God. That is in shambles, some would say. So I'm just gonna, yep. Should get some isopropyl alcohol and take that off. Are these the same? They are the same. I'm assuming this goes on there like that. And then, like, the screw from the, because this is highlighter, right? So then that would go on like that, maybe? Genuinely, just guessing here. Let's do some research. All right, so basically, I'm gonna flash a few images here of what you and me are both gonna be seeing, and then that's what I'm going to try to accomplish. Oh, fuck. So here's the thing, right? The amount of confidence I have is not a lot right now. This is just like, that is not thick enough. This might be too thick. Nope, that's the right size. So this comes off and falls into the abyss. I think that was the complete wrong thing to unscrew. I'm gonna be so for real. It really was. So that's gonna go back. And please go back in, sir. I awoke you. I'm crying and puking and screaming and pissing. I need help right now. This isn't coming out. I stand corrected. The song is helping. Help me, Lord Jesus. I'm going to scream. Help me, oh, help me. I'm screaming and dying. This is the base. This is the ground cable, I believe so. Slowly unscrewing, gonna unplug. This is what we get when we take out. I have to clean. That is important. Focus. I saw a couple images, what I need to do. I already forgot how this is supposed to go. I think like that. If you can't tell, I'm very much screaming and crying. I'm throwing up as well. We get to use our new Amazon on sale thing. Okay, so this goes here like that, and then this is gonna go here like that, and then this is gonna go here like that. Not excited. This. Genuinely not ecstatic. So I have a phobia of needles. Oh yes, good sir. Let me prep the patient. There it is. And then just put some on like that. And we're gonna pray. Pop that bad boy in there, and we're not gonna Thanos snap this time. That's what's gonna happen. If this video ever gets super popular, I'm gonna buy a camera so I can see this better. Ah, nice. Getting all this gunk off. Woo! Gotta be quick about it because I don't want to like damage any of this stuff. So that means I have to solder this bottom part. Flux makes this so much better, man. You don't want to have those like two bubbles like that I have right there because it's not going to make a complete connection. I'm sweating my ass off. I'm halfway naked now. Okay, I was stupid. It's fine. It's meant to be like that. So the next step is to then use a hot gun and then try to solder that, I guess, onto there. And pray. I might just show you the final finished product because I've just been stressing out with this. This is so bad. This is so bad, dude. I fucked up on this one, so now I'm gonna do it on the second one. Okay. Something tells me that works. Let's see. The quality work that I just did with the fat one. I can't even tell. Like, it looks fine. It's not moving, so that has to be good, right? We have done it. This was the most awful thing ever. And I did it with the 1980s thing, not even a fancy thing. I'm happy, but I'm also sad about it. So we're about to see how good this is. Yay! We have to put this back now. I guess we put it back together and we just see how it works then, right? Like... So usually I don't show my faces in the videos because I think the technology is more important and more fun to look at, you know, just seeing all the chips, the circuits, how the different things are working, the oscillating cable. But this project sucks. It sucks a lot. My confidence level keeps going down for this. So the thing that I ordered, it's not working. It's not working great. So this came in the mail. I ordered a Magic Card, Yuffie, the mono red one. I pulled it in the Chocobo bundle, but you don't care about that. But what showed up was this Virtual Boy eye patch thing. I'm going to hope this fixes what we need. So it's more simple. There's no stupid resistors we got to worry about. I'm going to hope it doesn't Thanos snap us away trying to figure out what we need to do to fix what we need. So let's go back to it, figure it out. This is round 2. Because we had the intro round 1 with the thing that didn't work, and now we're going to go into round 2 now. So, yay! Okay. We have 29 minutes of footage to get through this. Okay. Yes, please, bro, please. Oh, fuck. Probably should not do it like that. We gotta open up a door. Alright, let's just kind of... cool. This is amazing. We're doing so good, guys. I don't know why it's It's closer. It's closer. How don't know how well you can tell, but that's closer. That is mighty close. We have what, 3 times zoom? Oh, it's kind of a ripped pad, but it's better. All right, let's try that. Let's try that. I have high hopes for this one. I'm in genuine disbelief. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Guys, look. Okay. Okay. So here's the right eye. So, right eye. The left eye! Oh my fucking god! It works! I'm such a genius! You in your face, Miyamoto! Okay, and you can tell it works because, like, look, there's the eyes. It's flipped. It's flipped on the side. Oh, fuck, dude, this is so cool. Oh, I can flip back and forth with my eyes and go like, oh man, this is great. Holy fuck. Oh, dude. Oh, cool. Oh, I'm such a genius. Like, oh, you... Okay, it's brighter on the left than it is the right. I don't know why. But fuck yeah, it works. Holy... Fuck yeah!
Here's the afterthoughts. Would I do this again? And did I like the console? Yeah, it was pretty easy once I got the patch slapped on there. With the memes of it being the only Nintendo console I didn't own from back in the day as my as being as an avid console collector, it was cool getting my hands on it, but I wouldn't want to get my own. Is the Virtual Boy fun? No, not really. My eyes really hurt after 30 seconds of using it, giving me huge headaches. And the only game I did have was Mario Tennis, and it's a cool game, but I own it for the Switch, and then that's more fun. The intro is cool. I enjoyed that. What's next? No real clue. The only video / project idea I have is converting this Apple dongle game controller for your phone from Lightning to USB-C, which I think would be a fun challenge. I don't know how hard it would actually be. As well as I have some game jams planned for this year, but I don't really have that much to show considering the games that I've made. I don't think I have anything super interesting that would be such a good video. As well as I would like to keep this as a hardware channel more than a software channel. Maybe it'll change it later, but not for right now. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like, a comment of something you liked or didn't like. I don't know, say hi or something. Have a good one, boys!